Hello everyone, it's Melanie. I have another slow stitch collab piece here that I haven't opened yet. I think it came yesterday in the mail from Australia. This one is from Susanna, and I'll link to everybody that's in the collab down in the description below. But Susanna Easdale is the one who organized this entire collaboration swap. I'm really excited. I'm excited to see what's in it. This is the card that she sent me. This is some of her artwork. It looks like colored pencil. And she mentioned that she thought I'd like it because I like bright colors, and I do. I love it. So thank you. And this, oh, look at this. I think it's a vintage tablecloth. So Susanna, I have to say, I saw the thumbnail of a video where you were working on, and I actually, like, my eye was drawn to the thumbnail because I loved what I saw, but then I read the description and it said for Melanie, and I was like, oh no, I can't watch that. So I didn't watch it. And then I just saw another one and I was like, oh no, don't watch. So I haven't watched any of them and I haven't seen anything. The only thing I know is that it did have a big flower, you know, it does have a flower on it, or I saw that much on the thumbnail because that's kind of what attracted me to it. I was like, oh, that's pretty. And then I saw, oh, that's for me. No, I can't look at that. How cute. Look how cute. So this, I saw Susanna using some of this vintage tablecloth in a different project. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. This pink is the most fun bubblegum looking pink. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Susanna, I love it. Oh my goodness, I love that. Dunmoy. Tested quality. So pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay. Ooh. Okay, here's her little extras. Oh my goodness. Susanna, this is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Okay, sorry everyone, I had a little interruption, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. The color, oh my goodness. These colors are just stunning. Oh, Susanna, it's beautiful. I mean, it's just beautiful. And I wish you could see. I wish how excuse me, how dense this stitching is on here. I can't tell if that's wool. I think maybe this is wool. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And this little pop of yellow, and these pinks are so intense. I love them. And then this is a piece that's applique on that looks like from a vintage, some kind of a vintage textile. Some yo-yos with some pretty beads in the middle, and a piece of a tatted doily. Oh, there's both halves. It's there and there. Her unexpected friendships are the best ones. This is so perfect. I just love it. I love it, Susanna. I love it. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of stuff. Here's her extra fabric bits. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's cute. Oh, I love, oh, there's a piece of that I said is so vibrant. I love that. And this is gorgeous. This green, this particular, see, when I like pink and green, this kind of vibrant pink on this dark green. Oh, it's beautiful. So cute. So cute. And then, oh my goodness. Look at this. Coats chain, philo sheen. I've never seen this. It's vintage. Made in Great Britain. It's beautiful. It's tabac. It's brown. For darning hosiery. Oh, how funny. Oh, I love it. I love it. Some buttons. You made this cute button card. Isn't that adorable? Susanna, that's adorable. Look at these. Oh, what a precious little doily. Oh, I love those blue flowers. So cute. And then this, I'm sorry, I'm just like back and forth, back and forth. Oh, this is one of her patterns. Oh, Vintage Blend Studio pattern. Oh, okay, I'll have to make this. I can make a whole video of, look, it's got all the pieces. So she's got this is for the body of the case. I'll have to look. I think she has in a video. That is so cute. She even has all the pieces, and then it even has the buttons in there and all the couching, handle trim, sewing together. Look how cute. This kit is adorable. Okay, I'll have to make that. How big will it? Ooh, maybe it can fit my favorite scissors in there. Okay, that adorable. And then here's another doily. It's so delicate and fine. There's no way I can cut that. No way. Oh, so pretty, Susanna. And then there's a little, how cute, a stitching pattern piece. But it's printed on quilting cotton. That's really cute. And then, how are these New Year's greetings? They're printed on, okay, I'm gonna have to ask her about them, but they're printed on it almost feels like it's maybe an iron-on or something. The colors are really beautiful. I can't tell if that's got something on the back of it. I'll have to ask her about it, or you can let me know. It's so pretty. I love the colors together. Oh, Susanna, this is just beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Oh. Your little kit, so cute, which I'll definitely make this. Oh, it's really cute. I just love how you've put all that together too. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to this collab too. I mean, this is, it's so much fun. This is so much fun. Oh. This is so cute. Oh, yeah. Jeanette sent me a beautiful vintage doily, and Loretta sent me one also. So I still haven't decided if I want to do a book or a wall hanging, because I have pinned the other ones. Here, let me get this put this here together so I can have it for a thumbnail. Oh, it's so cute. Get the vintage blend in there. So cute. Am I even on screen? Kind of cut off there on the top. So cute. I love it. I lost my train of thought again. Oh, I love it. Let me put, let's put the others that I have. Oh, I was talking about whether I wanted to do a book or a wall hanging, and I have them pinned, the ones that I've received so far. I have been keeping them up on the wall here, and I really love looking at them, so I can't decide, because I thought I would definitely do a book, and then I thought maybe I want to do a wall hanging, and then I go back and forth and back and forth. Look at them. I don't know if I can fit them all. Can I fit them? So this one is from Anne Brooke. And then this is the second one I received. This one is from Loretta at Sparrowhawker Designs. No, this one's from Jeanette at My Cottage Crafts, and this one is from Loretta at Sparrowhawker Designs. And now I have a fourth one. This one's from Susanna Easdale at Vintage Blend Studio. They're so pretty. I can't fit them. Can I? Oh, now you get the whole. Sorry. My camera setup in here is a piece of wood I found down in the garage with a rubber band holding it onto my bulletin board. It's kind of, aren't those cool together? I love them. I love them. Oh, thank you, Susanna. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I can't. I can't decide, because I mean, it would really be cool to have them, you know, on the wall together too. I don't know. I'll have to keep thinking about it. Anyway, I love this. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colors. I love the texture. I love all the interesting bits to look at. Oh, and she signed it. Oh, I didn't sign mine. Look, she signed it right there. Oh, Susanna, it's beautiful. So I'll link to the other ladies in the collaboration down in the description box below, and I'm sure you're probably checking out what they're doing too, because there's some really pretty work going on out there. So thank you for all of this, Susanna. I love it. I love it. So I am going to. I have Loretta this month for, let me see. Here's my piece. Okay, Loretta, if you don't want to see yours, don't look, but here's my piece for Loretta. And I think it's finished. I've really struggled with this one. Just because I kind of, well, I won't say. I got off of my kind of formula for what I was doing. I sort of went crazy with all of this. And then, I don't know, the parts just feel very disparate to me. They don't like go together. And then the birds seem too serious. I don't know. I'm probably overthinking it, but this one is ready, and I think it's ready. And then this one will go to Loretta for January, and she's here in the United States, so that's why I haven't been too concerned about mailing it really early. I mean, I'm already, it is January, but it shouldn't take but a couple of days to get to her. So, and then the other two that I have Anne for February, and then I have Jeanette for March, and both of theirs are going to be in gray tones. So I may kind of work on those two at the same time, but I do need to get those done because they have a lot further to go. So anyway, thank you again, Susanna. Thank you everybody for, I love them. This is so much fun. So everyone take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.